What's up, everybody? We're back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and here are my top 3 ways that I made a lot of money in 2022, 2023, and you can use these methods too. Let's start with number 3. So we're here on Lazy Portfolio ETF. This is all about ETF investing. Let's take a look at the number one way to make money through ETFs. The number one portfolio, okay, is technology, which is the QQQ. That's all you have to invest in. Okay, this year alone, 27% gains. Over a 5-year period, 16. Over a 10-year period, 16%. Over a 30-year period, 13%. And that beats every single ETF type of cook-up that they have. For instance, the Warren Buffett portfolio, all kinds of ETF portfolios that have been designed 80/20 stocks, bonds. Go through this website. I'll leave it in the description below. This is a big eye opener once I found this website, Lazy Portfolio ETF, on just how easy it is to invest. I'll give you the ticker QQQ. That's it, and you're making more money than investing in maybe something some sort of Warren Buffett portfolio or some other famous investor who gives ETF advice of what their portfolio outlays should be. So yeah, check out this website, and that's how I made a lot of money in the last few years. The second way I made a lot of money over the past few years is somewhat lucky. I had my broker in America, Interactive Brokers, where my entire portfolio was in US dollars. And yeah, I just happened to be liquidating every single thing in that US dollar broker and changing it to Japanese yen because I'm living in Japan to open up with a broker here. I can't I think I timed it exactly perfect when I started cashing out, probably the 115 range or somewhat then. And yeah, I got probably in the 145 range when I liquidated it all out. And and my advice here to you on how you can make money on this is you can see that the Japanese yen is at one of the historical low points, and it's going to appreciate back into the 120 range or 130 range. It will. As soon as interest rates change in the U.S., this is going to appreciate in value. So I bet you I can almost guarantee that this is going to magnetize and go back down and appreciate once. I think it's at its point right now where it's starting to head down now. So, I mean, in today's rate, it's 148. And so we're already bouncing off that top. I guarantee this is going to head back down. And yeah, so act accordingly. And the number one way I made money over the past few years is with Strategy Quant. If you're unsure with what Strategy Quant is, it is a program that makes trading algorithms and outputs trading robots. They got a free trial for 2 weeks, and this week from November 20th to November 26th, they have this Black Friday sale. Here's a coupon code, Black Friday deal. Use that, and you'll get it at the cheapest price, most discounted price all year, and this is what they offer. If you're unsure of exactly what Strategy Quant is, essentially you can design strategies with the two financial instruments I just mentioned, the QQQ or the yen US dollar. You can think about strategies, maybe with the QQQ you can only trade long, using a momentum indicator or maybe some sort of pullback indicator. Every time it pulls back, you can enter the trade. and you don't have to go short. But in this case, maybe with the Japanese US dollar, yen, which we just talked about there, maybe you want to only take the short trades because you know that there's momentum to for that currency, the Japanese yen, to appreciate. There's all kinds of things that you can come up with and use with Strategy Quant. And I also have a website, no-nonsense-trader.com, where I offer some ways just to get started immediately using the free trial, so that you're not going to spend some money if you didn't like this thing. You can get started immediately within that 14 day period, and I'll leave the info for that down below so you can check out my website. And yeah, that's 3 ways that I made a small fortune over the past couple years. So we'll catch you in the next video for some more tips. See ya.